Now, earlier on at the Supreme Court of Kenya, the swearing in of the panel of experts on the compensation of victims of protests and riots happened, and we'd like to just see those proceedings that happened a little bit earlier.
I know I've been quiet about this, and I'm sure a lot of people want to hear my views and thoughts, particularly on taking up this assignment vis-a-vis the work that we continue to do as the Law Society of Kenya. And so I felt I owed not only the legal profession, but as well as members of the public, to share my thoughts in terms of what I've grappled with and why I've made this decision. The quest for justice in terms of compensation must go hand in hand with expedited access to justice for victims for police brutality during protests and riots. For over 1 year, I think I've become friends of the media and a lot of those civil society organizations and members of the public. But we have known no peace since the 18th of June 2024, where my phones have never stopped ringing with phone calls, messages, and WhatsApp alerts from Kenyans in distress. I've responded to calls even at 3 a.m. in the morning, on Sundays, even when at church. And when they could not reach me, they would reach my colleagues in council and even friends of schoolmates. Many a times the calls came from common Kenyans who continue to grapple with the nationwide apprehension on the state of accountability for human rights violations, the efficacy of the criminal justice system, and responding to state-sanctioned infractions, and the role of government, the public, and civil society in ensuring holistic justice for all victims. My endless encounter with Kenyans who have suffered in the hands of law enforcers remind me of how much more is yet to be done to reform our nation. Every conversation with inconsolable family members of victims who paid the ultimate price has probed whether a country can claim conscience when it harms its own people and leaves victims to fend for dear self in the unyielding hope that a system that has never appeared to put them first will somehow serve them.